Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to go through the homework here. Starting off with number 1, I am going to turn everything into plus a negative, any subtraction sign I see. So in number 1, we have 9m plus a negative 4 times negative 5n plus 8. The 9m, I need to do the distributive property, so I'm going to do 9m, and then this is going to be negative 4 plus a negative 4 times negative 5m plus, here's my plus sign, negative 4 times 8. Negative 4 times 8. 9m is going to stay alone, and then I have a negative 4 times a negative 5n. The signs are the same, so it's going to be positive. I'm left with 20m plus, and here we have a negative 4 times a positive 8. The signs are different. It's going to be negative 4 times 8 is 32. 9m plus 20m, I can combine these because they are like terms. I know they're like terms because they have the exact same variable. 9m's here and 20m's here is going to give me 29m, and then I have plus negative 32. Or it could be 29m minus 32. Either one of these are absolutely correct. All right, let's move some of this up out of the way here. You can pause it and go back if you need to. And I am going to move down to number 2. So I have 4 times, oops, I'm sorry, before I do that, it's my own rule. I'm going to go through and turn every minus into plus a negative. So I have 4 times negative 5r, 4 times negative 5r, plus 4 times negative 3. 4 times negative 5r means I have 4 groups of negative 5r's, which means I have negative 20r plus negative 12. Pretty easy? Good. All right, I'm going to move over to number 6 because I don't have to change the screen around to do so. So number 6 is going to be 5. Go through and change everything. 5 times negative 2 plus 5 times negative 4x. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10 plus 5 times negative 4 is negative 20x. Put it in parentheses because I have that minus sign. Number 7. Let's see. Plus a negative 9c. So, negative 6 times negative 7c plus negative 6 times 8 plus negative 9c. Negative 6 times negative 7c is going to be, let's see, the signs are the same, so it's going to be positive. We have 42c plus, I have a negative 6 and a positive 8, which gives me a negative, and 6 times 8 is 48. And then I have plus a negative 9c. All right, so now I have to think about my integers. I have a positive 42 and a negative 9. I'm combining them, so I'm going to reduce the amount of 42c's that I have by 9, which is going to give me 33c's plus negative 48. Are we okay? All right, give me one moment here to move this stuff around. I'm going to, let's see. I'm going to move this up. All right, and I just have some erasing to do then. Remember, if you missed something, you can easily go through and rewind, do what you need to do, make sure that you're getting these answers down. All right, number 3, we have a, let's see, plus a negative 7, and then we have 5 times negative 8d plus 5 times 6 plus negative 7. This is going to be negative 40d plus 30 minus 7, or plus a negative 7. Negative 40d plus 23. Pretty straightforward there. I think so. I'm going to move this. All right, here I have a plus, a negative. So I have negative 7 plus negative 8 times negative 2 plus negative 8 times 6y. All right, simplifying, I have a negative 7 plus, I have a negative 8 and a negative 2. That answer is going to be positive. 8 times 2 is 16. And then I have a plus, I have a negative 8 and a 6y. It's going to be negative. And 8 times 6 is 48y. And now combining like terms, I can combine the negative 7 and the plus 16. So I am left with 9 plus negative 48y. Yes, pretty easy. Good, I hope so. Let's move on to number 8 here. Changing my minus to plus the opposite. So I have negative 5 times 8, which you can see right here, plus negative 5 times negative 7b, which is right here. Negative 8 times positive 5 is going to be negative 40. Negative 5 times negative 7b is going to be positive 35b. Now, there are rules for how stuff needs to be ordered, so we could be a little more accurate with some of these, but I'm fine if you get to the point where we are right now. Don't worry about it. All right, number 9. Let's see, I have a minus, so that's plus a negative. So I have negative 3 times negative 7b, you can see that right here, plus negative 3 times negative 5. Negative 3 times negative 7b is going to be positive. The signs are the same. I have 21 b's plus negative 3 times negative 5 is going to be positive 15. 21b plus 15. All right, I have 2 more here. Let's see, number 8, I have plus a negative. Let me move some of this stuff out of the way here. All right, 8 times 4 plus 8 times negative 5r plus 7. 8 times 4 is 32, plus 8 times negative 5 is negative 40, plus 7. Let's see, I can combine 32 and plus 7 to get 39 plus negative 40r. And finally, one thing to change here. Hopefully you can figure this stuff out on your own, or you are getting there, plus a negative. So I have negative 2 times negative 8n plus negative 2 times negative 4. Negative 2 times negative 8n, both of the signs are the same, so it's going to be positive 16n plus a negative 2 times a negative 4. The signs are the same, so it's going to be positive plus 8. Boom. There is the homework.